everybody, I'm on the way to my vacation trip to Cebu City for 3 days. 3 days only. I'm here at the airport now and then I'm with my family. So this is my outfit today.
Inyong lumipat ng upuan, agad. Your life vests are found under your seats or in the middle of your armrest.
We are at Manila this time because our flight changed. So instead of flying from Bacolod to Cebu City, so we stopped over in Manila. And then we're hungry and then we have to eat. So it's already almost midnight now because there's cancellation of the flight and we're not informed. So here waiting and then yeah, I'm so excited because I know it's gonna be fun. So I would like you to enjoy watching for our short vacation. So I'm just here waiting for a while and then playing with this brown flat sandal. I know it's with squared heels. Good morning everyone. So me getting ready for today. Really like all of it. This one, I like this one. Breakfast time. So if you want to book in this hotel, you can also check the site because they also have promo for the room. Like instead of paying 10,000, you can pay for 5,000. So here it is. I'm showing you the area. Everybody, I'm here at Dusit Thani Hotel in Mactan Resort. So this is really beautiful here. What you see in the pictures is the same as actual. So if you plan to visit in the Philippines, come to Cebu. This hotel is really recommended. You have a very nice clean room and also the food. You have American food, any food. Well. They have also a lot of choices for in the restaurant, and here they have a beautiful pool. Beautiful. They have a big pool, so you can just check out their website. And this is not a sponsored video because I'm just here for a vacation with my family, and this is my outfit today. So today I have my flip-flops today. I'm just quiet for a while because there's someone passing walking. So this is the flip-flops. We can do dangling video. Hmm. Hello everybody! So today I will try to walk and make a footprints in the sand. So I'm gonna leave my flip-flops here. So I'm gonna make footprints. We'll see if it will. No, it doesn't really mark. Give me a picture. Every small feet. My camera is very ugly in the back camera. Nice stone bridge. Oh my god, I lost my two rings, guys. Cheaper.
Look, guys, the sea snail. Be aware of starfish.
I lost my two rings, but it's okay. The cleaner is in the room, so I'm waiting here.
I think it is.
It's for the room there. No, it's for the building there. Because it's connected to the other building, not the other building. Yeah, ours is much more left and it's not fit in there. Yeah? Yeah? No volleyball.
Just go. Understand?
Dinner time. Must try halo-halo fruit salad in the Philippines. So in this hotel, they also have an ATM machine. They have a bake shop. They have Korean restaurant and more. Ready for dinner. This is my outfit. We have also here Korean restaurant. And now I'm just here in the ocean view, so with this sandal. So for now I'm gonna relax, take off my sandal and just do the relaxing. Second day, and then we're going down for breakfast. So today we're going to Ayala Mall and I'm going to do some shopping there. And my outfit today is the same. Han, come here. Someone is walking. Someone is walking by. We're going to Ayala
Okay,
today.
back seat, sir. Oh.
We are at Ayala Mall. Hi everybody, so I'm going for a swim today with my daughter, and today I have this brown sandal with socks. So I'm gonna take off this one because I'm gonna walk also in the beach wearing take off the socks. This one, so I still have my purple nail polish today. So I'm going home. Anak. Airport. Next one, next.
It's called drop.